just a little experiment morning I was having, trying different paints with different methods to see what kind of effects I was getting. So I didn't talk because I was just in the mode of just experimenting, and decided to film it so you could see what I get up to, trying to see if different methods work. Some do and some don't. So this was just the normal white acrylic, my global impasto white mixed with my pouring medium that's in the drop down box, the info underneath. And the little flip cup there was just the Montmartre pre-made pouring paints, and they were a little cup that I had left over from a previous pour. So it had the black, the turquoise and the metallic copper, and I just wanted to try a few things on this. So this was a little ring pour, and then I will put a little bit of cell activator on top, as you will see. Now that's the white cell activator, which is just Amsterdam paint and Floetrol. Now for the experiment, on top of all of that, I'm just putting the Montmartre pre-made pouring paint, so there are no special paints done with, no special mediums and mixes, and I wanted to see if I could get a bloom effect just on these paints alone. So that all that was the lamp black Amsterdam paint with Australian Floetrol as a cell activator, and I wanted to see if I could get the bloom effect cells, and I certainly did.